Hi everybody, this is Wendy. I'm glad you joined me today. I work at the Beardsley Library. Today we're going to be making a bean and corn salsa. It's a healthy, delicious alternative to some of the snacks that we're eating right now. So the recipe actually calls for 1 can of black beans drained and rinsed, a can of black-eyed peas drained and rinsed. If you don't have black-eyed peas, you could use another can of black beans or maybe pinto beans. A can of corn drained, a 3-ounce jar of pimentos or a third of a cup of chopped olives, a jalapeno diced, a third of a cup of chopped onion, and 2 to 3 stalks of celery chopped. The dressing that will go on top, you can use 2 different versions of it. One is, if you like lime, you can do 4 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of lime zest. I like lime, but I don't happen to have one today. So I'm using 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so I have already chopped all my ingredients so that it would be easier for you to see me put it together. So I'm going to start by adding the black beans to my bowl, my black-eyed peas. The black-eyed peas are sort of like a bean, so that's what they look like. So I'll add that in. I'll add my corn. I'll add my celery that I've chopped. I'll add my chopped onion and my olives. You can use green olives. I mean, if I had pimentos, I would use pimentos, but I don't have any pimentos. I also don't have a jalapeno pepper, so I'm not using that today either. So I used green olives today. So let me just get a spoon and I will mix this together a little bit. There are many other things you could add to this dish. You could add chopped red peppers, you could add cilantro, you could add garlic. So it's pretty versatile and you can just tailor it to your tastes. But here it is mixed up. And then for our dressing, I've already put a tablespoon of sugar in here. And I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of my olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I will add 3 tablespoons of my apple cider vinegar. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so I'll just lightly mix this up. And then pour it on top of my bean mix. Okay, so then we will give this a nice stir. I don't have the pimentos in here, but if you have the pimentos, they're a nice red color, so they give it a pretty presentation if you actually do have the pimentos. Okay, so it is all mixed up, and there it is, and you can eat this with tortilla chips. You could actually put this on top of your tacos. It's even good on top of a green salad. So it could be a light lunch or just a snack. So I hope that you enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.